Both of these windows are antique windows. They were built around 100 years ago. Both of them were removed from churches in the Philadelphia area that were closed. After these churches are closed, we come in, take the windows out, retrofit them as necessary and rebuild them, and then find new homes for them. These two found their homes with Christendom College. The installation process is fairly easy. There is an aluminum frame that holds the windows. There are stops that hold the windows into the frame. Use a stop hammer to take the stops off and to put the window in and then put the stops back. You've got to swing a hammer next to the stained glass in order to do this, which can be a little nerve-wracking, but with practice and patience, you've learned how to set stops with a hammer and not break the window. When you look at a stained glass window, the color is in the glass. Line and shadow is created with, the illusion of line and shadow is created with paint. That paint is fired onto the glass in a kiln, sort of like a ceramic glaze on a coffee cup. The window that you look at, each color is a different piece of glass, and within that color range itself, there are also several pieces of glass. The glass is held in place with a lead matrix. The lead matrix has an H configuration to it, 2 leaves on either side and a heart in the middle. The glass is fitted in between these pieces of lead. Each junction point on the lead is soldered. So you've got a giant glass puzzle that's held in place by lead cane. After that, the window is cemented to make it weatherproof and to keep light from leaking through, and reinforcement bars are then soldered on to keep the window from collapsing over time. Being able to work with groups and churches is one of the best parts of my job. I make a lot of art that's not spiritual, it's not liturgical, and they go to individuals, and that's fun. I enjoy that a lot. But when you make a stained glass window that goes into a church, that's something that is enjoyed by a large group of people who don't know you, I don't know them, and that the art that you make for them has resonance and meaning even beyond the imagery that's in it, and that I appreciate a lot. So artisans like myself really do appreciate the fact that people can come together through the church, raise money, and create these pieces of artwork. They don't exist outside of the church, at least in this format. So we are grateful and thankful that you've pursued a church that has stained glass in it. And we're grateful and thankful for the opportunity to make these windows for you.